In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar public. This can be useful if you're looking to share your schedule with others or integrate it into a website. Following these steps on your desktop web browser, you'll have your calendar public in no time. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. You can easily do this by typing in the URL or searching for Google Calendar if it's your first time visiting. Once the page loads, you'll see your calendar layout filled with any events that you've already scheduled. Now, look over to the left side of the screen where it says My Calendars. Here, all the calendars associated with your account are listed. Hover over the specific calendar you want to make public. When you do this, a small icon with 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu, will appear. Click on these dots and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate down to a section called Access Permissions for Events. This is where you'll be able to control how other people can see and interact with your calendar. In this section, you'll find an option that says Make Available to Public. When you check this box, a warning will pop up. Google wants to ensure that you fully considered making your calendar publicly available to anyone who has access to its link. Go ahead and confirm this warning. If you're syncing with a particular person, this is where you might enter their Gmail address to share directly, but this is optional if you're just making it public generally. Next, consider the level of visibility you want for your calendar. You can choose between See Only, Free, Busy, which means others will only see when you're available or not without any details on the events, or See All Event Details, which will allow full viewing access to your schedule details. As an extra option, you might want to scroll down to find the section titled Integrate Calendar. Here you can find a public URL or an embed code. This is incredibly useful if you want to share the calendar link or embed it directly into a website. Simply copy the link or code available and you can place it wherever you need. This is especially handy for businesses or public figures who want to keep others up to date with their availability. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Google Calendar public. Be sure to share responsibly and keep any sensitive information private. Thank you for joining me today and keep watching for more helpful tutorials.